Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day. The scarf is back, and you know what that means. It's freezing. But we're here today at 524 East 89th with Alatia and Oliver taking a look at their townhouse. I've run the math so many times just to make sure that it's as real as it is, and this is the value play on the Upper East Side today. It's a fantastic house. 7 adjacent townhouses are also either renovated or being renovated. It's like Townhouse Row here. Let's go inside, let's warm up, let's check out this house. It's incredible. Come on. All right, so we're inside. The scarf is gone. It's warm. Oliver, Alatia, tell us, what's so great about this house?
This house is so beautiful. It was built at the turn of the century, and you have the ability to build 10,000 square feet here. It has original details, really high ceilings, and beautiful light.
Ceilings are nuts.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
It also has really big windows and has a double garden, which is quite unusual. You can expand the house to almost 10,000 square feet.
So this garden expands essentially to the back of the adjacent house and goes full width of 2 houses. You've got 38 plus the double width of this house. It's incredible.
That's right, it's very unusual.
It's really unusual. The windows are, you've got to be talking about windows that go up about 10 feet. I'm not that short, we're not that short. And you have the same thing in the front with triple exposures, and there's a gorgeous tree right outside this house. So if townhouse living is what you want, this is pretty much the definition of what it feels like. The FAR that's available is 10,000 feet. We've done a proposal that gets you to about 8,300, so we're really not even getting to that maximum FAR available because we don't want to overbuild this house and we don't want to overshoot the runway. We want to keep this house in the value play. That's another thing that makes this great. With 7 houses down the street, everybody's blown out every adjacent house and gone to town here. It makes for a really, really great family house. This is really an opportunity to build your dream house.
It's a very beautiful block.
Yeah, it really is. And Cole Schul's, 10, 20 yards down the street.
When I think that when you go up and build another floor or 2 and have a roof deck, you may have views of the water.
Right, so you have river views on top of that. It's really pretty special. All right, now let's talk about the math. This house is currently listed at 4,750. We've got a proposal to build 8,300 square feet from the ground up with your design. It's your house at $4,400,000. That's an all-in at just over 9.1. At 8,300 square feet, divide that by 9.1, you're getting a house at $1,102 a square foot, brand new on the Upper East Side. Good luck finding anything, new construction, your design, anywhere close to that price. That's why I had to do it a couple of times. That's what makes this house the value play on the Upper East Side. No?
There's nothing on the market that comes close to these numbers.
No, nothing at all. Let's go and check out the backyard. You got to see this to believe it. So now we're in the backyard. It's almost 50 feet front to back, 38 left to right, because these people were smart enough to buy the back of the adjacent townhouse's backyard, and that's where the FAR comes from. That's what makes this house the value play. It's crazy. The numbers are real. The house is incredible. The location is phenomenal. You got to come check it out. We included the math in this week's proposal. We always include the math. Thank you so much for having us over. It's a great house, but more importantly, it's a great opportunity for someone to really build their dream house without totally overshooting the runway and blowing the bank, which is unbelievable. We'll see you next week with another pre-sale proposal. See you soon. Bye-bye.